Hello everybody, welcome back to Miss Survival. And today we are going to be trying to complete the drying rack that we weren't able to complete last time. And also, I'm going to go get the rest of the bear that we killed. And the way that I'm going to do that is by using my axe to harvest the rest of the body. And then we're going to do many things, hopefully. And if not, then we'll continue in the next one, if anything. But I'm going to try to do a couple of things today. So, let's see. I really want to get more ammunition. Oh, nice. Good loot. This has gasoline in it. Alright. 30 minutes. Alright. Let's crouch down. Let's get that. Let's get this thing, and then boom. Boom. Harvest the rest of this guy's body. Need more fat? And let's get that. It's gonna take 2 hours because I don't have shit. It's the knife. Okay, let's see. Hard to use still, damn it. Okay, let's see if we can find a knife somewhere around here. Alright. And then we'll come back for that. If anything, that means we're gonna lose the rest of the bear, but I mean, like, hey, what can you do? Whoop-de-doo. Let's put these rocks away. Where do I have the rocks at? Where do I have my rocks? Alright, put these rocks away. Let's see. Okay, let's move this. That's not supposed to be there. Hey, give me that. Get that. And boom. One second, I have to answer an email. Alright, and we're back. Alright, sorry. I had to answer something. One of my teachers sent me an email. I forgot to put these components away. Really quick. Put these things away. Really quick. We're gonna put these, I'll put them here. And they just disappeared. Where did they go? I don't know. Okay. I'm just gonna dip then. I have spear, my baseball bat, the axe. Should probably leave the axe here. Okay. We have till freaking, what time is it? We have about an hour. And then shit's gonna start getting dark. So let's go out really quick. I'm gonna go this way actually. We haven't gone this way yet. I'm gonna see if I can find a tower. Ranger tower, and see if I can find some more shells in there, because that's usually where they're at. Some ammunition or a new weapon, possibly a rifle or something. Be pretty good. So I'll tune you guys back in when actually, hold on. I was gonna say I'll tune you guys back in, but I found something over here really quick. Let's hit this place up, then I'll tune you guys out, and then tune you guys back in once I find something. Let's see. Got the sauce. Okay. The campfire here. Choco bar. Lashings. Feathers. Is that a backpack upgrade? Up there. On the other one? Ooh, more lashings. Nice. Let's see. Damn it. That's good. Okay. Alright. Oh, what's that? Some over there. We'll go over there in a second. Check it out. sus going down. Oh! Oh, that's, oh, hey, actually. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness, heck, yes. Just found 5 freaking shells, dude. Hell to the yeah. Put the schnotty away. Now, let's go see what is... Oh, did I just hurt myself? No, I didn't. Thank God. Let's see. Come on, give me some more ammo. Been a little greedy. No, nothing? Oh my God, that was such a good find. 5 shells. Hell yeah. Let's get this thing out. It's just in case the bandits over here. Let's see. What's good, motherfucker? Hello? Anybody home? No? Oh, awesome. Alright. Hey! Oh my goodness, hell yeah. Look at that. Ooh, more matches? What? Alright, we gotta eat these. Another axe. Let's eat this thing real quick. Alright, biofuel. Oh, hell yeah. Bam. Another saw. I might take that here, because it's better to have more tools. Okay. Let's go check what this is up here really quick. Oh, I think this is a raider camp. Or fucking bandit. It might be bandit. Let's save game real quick. There's 2 towers nearby each other. Ooh, hey. More ammunition. Let's drop that. Alright. Go check what's up here. We might have to stay the night here. Any bandits home? I'll bop you, bro. Don't play with me. Oh, nice. A new knife. Yes! We got a Colt, boys! Hell yeah. What does this take? Okay, we have 4 bullets. It takes 9? Excuse me? I thought it was 45 ACP. Hey, alright. Whatever floats your boat, baby. Oh my goodness, hell yeah. Let's get this. Let's drop this one. Where'd my baseball bat go? Did I put it in here? I put it in there. I have more ammo for the pistol, actually. Hold on. Tight. Alright. And we got it. Hell yes, man. And we actually have a good amount of 9mm. Woo! Yeah. Big loots, baby. Alright. Let's actually, we'll put that in there. That. Put all the stuff that's like not really necessary. There we go. Now we have more space. And then we can get that knife. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Amazing. Can we access this? Nope. Okay. Take the soda. Can I get that soda? Thank you. We don't really need it. Neither, we don't need the food either, but I'll eat this because this doesn't give us that much. See, that was like just perfect. Let me put stuff that we don't need away. We have a new knife. I can actually take back my spear. This. I don't think we have enough time to move back to home. We don't have anything over here. No, we're good. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. Grab this. I'm gonna put it right there. Let's go to the other tower really quick. Oh, I just threw that down. No, give me. Bro, don't play with me, bro. It's my loot. Okay. And then all I gotta do is press... Okay. Well, if you keep dropping, I won't be able to. Alright, I really hope there isn't any bandits over here, but if there is, they're getting shot at. Oh, there's chickens! A lot of chicken! There's chicken like crazy. Hey. Hey, yeah. Take all that stuff, BP. Let's get it all. Give me it all. Give me it all. I think I see a weapon up there. Is that a weapon? Oh, it's a stick. The stick confuzzled me. Alright. Let's get this and go to the new resting area for tonight. Because we don't have... There's also a cabin over there. Ooh. Let's go check these places out real quick. Let's go check this out. Oh, another tire. Hell yeah. That much closer to getting a... Oh, an engine! Was that more rifle ammo? Okay, hold on. Let's drop that. We have space for that. We have space for that. Eat this real quick. Okay, I gotta get that engine. I can't forget about that engine. I think there's a backpack upgrade down there too. Okay. Crowbar. Oh shit. Another one. Ooh, okay. There's a lot of loots in this area. Turn on our flashlight real quick. Better not fall, bro. Better not get on my hands. I ain't playing with you, boy. I ain't gonna go all the way back down for you. You better follow me. Oh, there's no door on this place. Are you serial? I gotta go back to the other one. Oh no. Oh god. Okay. Shells. Give me those, actually. Please. How many more? One? Oh, good. Appreciate it, appreciate it. Make sure we're all good. Okay. This is a bigger suitcase over there. So we gotta go somewhere. Where's that cabin at? Hold on. That cabin I saw.
You better stop! Stop! Stop!
No, come on, bro. You're making me lose time. Ah! Where's the cabin? Oh, God. Okay, I just yeeted that. We gotta go. Where the hell is that cabin at? Oh, there it is. Okay. We gotta go, 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 go. Better not be a bandit camp. I'm taking your camp, boys. Don't fucking play with me. I'll take your camp. It's my camp now. Okay, this is good. We got a lot of upgrades now. Search all this stuff real quick. Revolver ammunition. Alright. Let's go in here. Let's go in here really quick. And stay here for the night. Alright. Alright. I'll come back to you guys once it's morning. Or if anything happens. Alright. So, we survived the night. Nothing happened at all. So that's good. Let's destroy this. Just out of here. Nice, we got our 5 sticks back. Don't really need it, but. Actually, you know what? You know what would be smart? If I leave this here. And it just disappeared. There's C to cancel. Cancel that because that's weird. Why are you up there? Go down here. We're building this. I should have just left it there. And let's eat that. Yeah, I forgot. I gotta get that engine out of that one car. Forget about the engine. We got our pistol. Sir. Sir. Also, let's have a little, can't have a little breakfast because he's gonna eat the whole can. So, never mind. Unfortunately, no breakfast. We'll keep going. Vibe. Take this back home. Gotta get the engine out of that one car and then we'll go back. I'm probably gonna take that one truck nearby. That deer scared me a little bit. I thought that was like a bear hiding there or something. So. Also grab this extra spark plug. Never hurts, right? Have an extra spark plug. An extra sparky. An extra old sparky. A lot of deer over here. Oh! Yeah, that hurt. I like how it takes 20 minutes to take out a whole engine. Usable car engine. Excuse me. I knew I saw a backpack upgrade down here. Hell yeah. Hell yes, I do. Boom! Ooh, 3 slots. Hell yeah! What's down here? Hold on. Let's get this out. Let's get this out because it has more range. More range keeps the baddies away. Alright, let's. There's a lot of loot. A lot of loot. A lot of loot to be done. Ooh. Hey! Hell yes! Alright, looks like we're gonna get that drying rack done today. Ooh, another saw. Nice. Alright, let's see what's up here. Nothing. Come on, bro. You ain't give me no ammo. Nah, just kidding. The game hooked me up really good today. Where is the... How did I forget that already? How did I already forget? Where the hell it went? But I think I left it over there on top. I caught you. You're mine now. We have a chicken. We have chicken. Mine now, chicken. Ain't going nowhere, buddy. You're mine, dude. You screwed. You are done for, buddy. I don't know, man. Chicken nuggies or pet chicken? What do you guys think? Chicken nuggies or pet chicken? What do you think's better, man? You want some chicken nuggies? Or do we want a pet chicken? Like, I don't know. I don't know. I'll keep him for a while, though. We'll determine it later. Depending on how attached we become to it. So, I'll cut it here, and I'll bring us back to base. Alright. Alright, Mr. Chicken. Stay here with me now. It's your home now. Alright? You good, dog? Finish this build. He's gonna become food here in a second if he keeps going. I'm gonna eat you if you keep doing that noise, buddy. Testing my patience. Keep talking that smack, boyo. Out on your home fizzle. You ain't gonna be alive tomorrow. Make that bandage now. Ooh, actually, Molotov, maybe. Right? Molotov. Oh, I need an empty bottle. What the hell is that? Okay. Okay, wait, then we have to wait. Never mind. Damn it. We have to wait on that. Oops, what am I doing? What's down here? Yeah, let me get that drying rack done. I don't understand. They should be there! Okay. We have the drying rack. Das is good! I'm gonna kill you. Shut up. That was a big mistake bringing him here. Oh my god. Shut the fuck up. Shut up. Oh my lord. Why? Oh. Shut up. Oh my god. Hey, we got dry meat, dry that meat, baby. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna fucking shoot you! Shut up! He's actually doing it on purpose. build a... I'm saying that. They're both the same thing. Let me choose this one. 2, 4, 4. Oh. I can make another one actually. Hold on. Might as well, right? Over here. Good over here. Yeah, boy. Balk one more fucking time. You're trying my patience, sir.
I like it, cut G.
Bobby is dead. I'm not gonna deal with that constant. You brought it upon yourself. You brought it upon yourself, sir. You brought it. You did it to yourself. You did it to yourself. You did it to yourself. I gotta get more firewood now. Chicken wing, chicken wing. Alright, there we go. The chicken is no more, boys. The chicken is no more. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna end it off here. I'm gonna work a little bit off screen after I am done editing. And after I post the video. And if I'm not able to work off screen, we'll just pick it up next time. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace out.
To get away, to see you again, see you again.